Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save PDF on Microsoft 365. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically this would only be applied on documents on Microsoft apps. And when we are talking about documents, we are talking about a Word specifically. So the first thing to do is to go to the Word app, and basically you can do it either on your web browser or on the Word app. And for this video, I'm just going to stick on the application. So here you will be needing just like to start editing on your document. You can create whatever you like, and basically it can be either images. You can do whatever you like with your documents. So just feel free and start editing on your documents. And here I'm just going to type something. I'm just going to increase the size, and I'm just going to leave it like that, do some formatting or whatever. And what matters is to go to the file, and basically we will need just to change the format of our document to a PDF when we are saving these documents. So simply go to the file, and then you will need just to search for save as. By clicking on save as, you will be able to start changing the format of, or you will be able to convert your docx to any other format. So basically, you will be able to do it as an XML. You can do it as a PDF as we want. So basically, you choose PDF, and from there, you will be needing just to go to browse. You choose the location where you want to save this file. I'm just going to leave it on desktop, and basically, I'm going to click on OK, and that's it. So from here, we will be needing just like go back, save as, choose PDF, and there we do the same as save. And basically here we have like the text.pdf. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.